Advance your process modeling skills through this hands-on business process modeling course where you will explore BPMN 2.0 and how to manage, model, improve and automate business processes in your organization. Are you new to business process modeling and BPMN? Or are you an experienced process analyst who wants to validate or formalize your knowledge? Or perhaps you are an experienced manager championing the standardization of process documentation in your organization? Join this 2-day business process modeling course where you start from the basic in the first morning, then advance through the case study-based exercises that increase in complexity as you progress. For over 3 decades, IRM training has been the preferred choice for hundreds of leading universities, corporations, government departments, and not-for-profit organizations in Australia due to its strong focus on practicality and real-world application. IRM training is the longest-serving endorsed education provider to the IIBA in Australia.